Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the watch off and removing the band. This prevents shorting and freeze access. Use a P2 screwdriver to remove the tiny screws, then apply a plastic pry pick between the case and back plate to lift gently. Once done, keep screws in a small tray so you don't lose them. You must work slowly. The adhesive and clips are delicate, so light, steady pressure prevents warped parts or stripped heads and makes the next step predictable. Now you peel the adhesive back slowly, about 1/2 inch at a time, so you can control tension and avoid tearing fragile ribbons. Use a nylon spudger to disconnect the battery connector first. That reduces risk of shorting. Then, free the sensor ribbons that link the back plate to the main board, noting orientation. Make sure to photograph each connector before removal so reassembly matches original polarity and seating. Careful documentation speeds reinstallation and reduces mistakes. You now seat the replacement backplate, aligning clips and connectors so they mate without forcing. This prevents pin damage. Reconnect ribbons and the battery, ensuring flat, even contacts, then apply new adhesive tape and press the plate into place. Tighten screws evenly, snug but not over-torqued to preserve threads. If the watch won't boot, make sure connectors are fully seated and the battery cable is correctly attached. If vibration or sensor errors persist, reopen and recheck contacts before final sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.